Stuff your lounge down the bloody hole. Oh man, it's slippery. Far out. G'day, Oz ADV rider out here just doing a quick test ride on the bike. Last week the bike was bucking around a lot and it turned out it was my headstock bearings. I had been checking them by just grabbing down here and pulling backwards and forwards, and I couldn't feel any movement. But I actually jacked the bike up, got the front wheel off the ground, and there was a heap of movement. I tightened up the nut under there, and the movement was going, and then the nut got tight, and there was still a bit of movement there. Turned out I'd run out of thread, so I had to take this off. I had a washer below and above the nut, so the one above went below, so I've got two washers under the nut now. Anyway, silly me, I've come out, nothing on the bike, and I noticed straight away my bars aren't in the same spot they were, so I'm going to adjust them up. I do have tools under the seat, of course. Come on, out you come. Righto, I need a 6mm Allen key. Righto, I'm going to have to tip them out. There you are. So let's just tilt these bars forward a little. See how that goes, only needs a bit. Yeah, I'm not going far today, it's what is it, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, where's my fucking keys? Where I always leave them. Yeah, the bike felt absolutely horrible on corrugated bits of road last week. Righto, now my mirrors are going to be out again. I think that looks better. Righto. Yeah, you get so used to riding in the dry. It's been a while since I've had some wet tracks. Righto, let's get up this hill. Yeah, bike feels better straight away. That was definitely the problem I was having. Ooh. Yeah, nice, that's heaps better. Three minutes, righto. We'll head down to Wallaby Lake, but we'll go that way, I reckon. If it's not too bloody muddy, which, oh shit, it could be. Through the middle. Oh, up to the left. Oh, where the friggin' hell am I now? Like, get me to the lake. We'll try it. Oh, cool. Yeah, we'll go up this way. Oh, there's a big dip there. Now, where did that lake go? Ooh. Cool. Well, that is Wallaby Lake, apparently. I think. Yeah, Wallaby Lake. Righto, let's go. They're the bloody rubbish out here. So they've had a freaking kids party and dumped it out here. Which way are we going, maps? Are we going up that way or down this way? That looks better. Yeah, I'm going this way. Not sure if that's right or not. Looks more fun though. Happy with how the bike's going. I've got a big ride on next week. I just wanted to make sure it's right. It looks like we're due for more rain all week, so I'm not going to get out to test it. So I just had to get out while I could. Now look at this mess. I'm not going up there. Ooh. There's that Goldfields track. We'll go this way. So watch out for the dog. Yeah. Shouldn't have stopped there. Rightio. Look out, dog. Look out. How you going? Good. Yeah, a bit slippery. Yeah.
How's she going, alright?
Yeah, good. Just out on a bit of a test ride. It's a bit greasier than last time I was here. There's some corrugations. Yeah, it feels fine. Tell you what, I might do a U-E and just hit them again. Yeah, feels fine. Yeah, it's better than it used to be. It always used to kick around a bit and it's better. It's supposed to be a quick ride. There you go, out for a test ride and the bike's feeling good. You want to just keep going?